Did you know that a pine cone, a seashell, and a sunflower are all doing the exact same math homework? Look closely at these three totally different things from nature. At first glance, they seem completely unrelated, right? But here's the mind-blowing secret they all share. Each one follows something called the Fibonacci sequence, where each number equals the sum of the two before it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Count the spirals on a pine cone, a nautilus shell, or sunflower seeds. They always match these exact numbers. But wait, it gets even crazier. This same mathematical pattern shows up in spinning galaxies, hurricane shapes, flower petals, and even human faces. From tiny DNA molecules to massive space formations, everything follows the same secret code. It's like nature has been using one universal math formula for billions of years. The entire universe is basically copying from the same answer sheet.